So friends, welcome to my channel. As you saw the thumbnail, this video is about counter widget of Elementor. How do we use it and how do we make something like this with the help of counter widget. So let me refresh the page so you can better understand that what I'm talking about. So you see, I'm just talking about this. How can you make something like this with the help of counter widget and make your website look good and more fancy? So let's go to the edit page and find out how do we do that. So first we have to do what we have to do is take the parent container, okay, which has a direction to the right side. So now we have a parent container. On parent container, we are going to add a child container, and we are going to take 4 child container for 4 counter widget. So let's add one more. So you see we have 2. Let's add one more. 3, 4. So now we have 4 container, and if you want to see this by navigator, so you can also see that this is our last container. This one, you see I clicked here, it's like this, the parent container. Now on parent container, you see we have a 4 child container, which is empty right now because we didn't added the counter widget yet. So now we are going to add the counter widget. So we just go here and write it down, the counter. So now you see the counter, this is the counter widget. All you have to do, just pick up that widget and add it on this child container, not on the parent container. I'm talking about the child container. Inside that child container, you have to add it, and now you see we have that counter widget. Now you just have to copy and paste it all the container. Same with the last container. So now we have 4 widget. So let's go and edit one by one every widget according to our website. This website is about gadgets, you can see. So we can edit this counter widget according to our website. So now we can click here, the edit counter. And now you see here are the starting numbers from where you want your counter widget to start. It's 0, it's perfect. Now ending number we should add here, and we should write it down here. It's 8, 8, 9. And now let me tell you what is prefix called and suffix called. You see here, you see the number, prefix, number, suffix. So the prefix means is that the anything you add here will come up before the numbers or before the text you have. Like if I put here plus, it will add before the numbers. And if something you put here on suffix, it will come after the numbers. So that's the meaning of prefix and suffix. So I want the suffix, so that's plus sign is before the numbers, right? So now I want to change the title according to my website. So I will write it down here, gadgets sold. Perfect. Now we are going to edit this according to our website. So we are going to down here 956, and same here is happy clients. So now we added all the widgets according to our website. So that's how you can add the counter widget on any website and customize by your choice. And now let me tell you how you can customize your text, your color of the text, the font of the text. So let's add it with the first widget. So now you see here that says style. Style on numbers, you can change the color of the numbers, and here you can change the font of the number. Okay, and on title you can change the color of the title, and here you can change the font of the title. It goes same with the others. Style, number color black, title color black. So now all done. Our four widgets are completely according to our website. Now I will let you know how you can change the speed of the widget. Okay, so you can click on the widget, then you can go to the counterpart, then you see the animation duration, right? Where you can, if you can go less, it will become fast. If you say 500, so you can see it become more fast. If you say 200, it become more fast, right? So if you say 5000, it gets slow. So that's how you can change the speed of the counter widget. And the last thing, which is the advanced part, here you can on layout you can change the layout of your container. All right, and here you can do more customization with the counter widget, and you can make it look more cool, and you can practice it as much as you can. So this video is all about counter widget. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.